10 mind-blowing nature facts you won't believe. Get ready to be amazed. Did you know 70% of the Earth's oxygen is actually produced by marine plants, not trees? The largest iceberg ever recorded was bigger than the country of Belgium. A single bolt of lightning contains enough energy to toast 100,000 slices of bread. The Amazon rainforest produces 20% of the world's oxygen and is often called the Earth's lungs. A hummingbird's wings can beat up to 80 times per second, allowing them to hover in midair. Chameleons can move their eyes independently, giving them a 360-degree view of their surroundings. More than 80% of the ocean remains unexplored and unmapped by humans. The largest living organism on Earth is a fungus in Oregon's Malheur National Forest, spanning over 2,385 acres. Some species of plankton are bioluminescent and can make the ocean glow at night. The Sahara Desert is expanding at a rate of about 30 miles per year. Isn't nature truly incredible? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting videos.